Grab the hardware. Please, whenever possible, recycle or reuse these bags and the tags. Set the nuts up on the side. Pop one bolt in each hole. Put the board up, push them through. Now the key part, when you mount your trucks, the kingpins face towards the center of the deck. Hold your hand on the back side here, line up those. If you have a skateboard that has risers, they go between the deck and the base plate. I'll finger tighten these, one on each, just to get started. Now that we have it up on the side, repeat the back. Again, kingpin facing towards the center. Grab your skate tool again, screwdriver. If you can get a bigger screwdriver, it helps if you have to build a whole bunch, or again, a screw gun. Smallest part of your skate tool, mount it on there. It's going to be at a little bit of an angle. I generally like to turn the screwdriver. You'll go through and tighten those all the way up. I'm actually going to switch back over to a screwdriver. It just makes it easier for me. Just want to show you, bring your head down flush with the grip tape, go through, finish them all that same way, and we'll be back in a minute.